Hi, my name is Cody Clark, and today we will be discussing operating systems and firewalls. Just a quick rundown of this presentation. I'll do a quick introduction of what we will be discussing, as well as going into detail in regards to Microsoft servers, Ubuntu, as well as a couple of different firewalls that we'll talk about, and then a quick end-cap. So a quick introduction. In today's digital age, operating systems and firewalls play crucial roles in securing and managing IT environments. This presentation will explore the features and functionalities of Microsoft Server 2022 and Ubuntu Server 24, as well as delve into the importance of firewalls, such as Windows firewall systems and IP tables that run in Linux and maintaining network security. This presentation will uncover key insights and practical applications of these essential technologies. First off, we've got Microsoft Server 2022. It is a robust server operating system designed for enterprise environments. It builds on the foundation of Windows Server 2019, focusing on security, Azure hybrid integration, and application platform improvements. Quick little end-cap on how it runs. It supports both physical and virtual environments, offering features like Hyper-V for virtualization, advanced networking capabilities, and enhanced security measures. A quick casual fact is Microsoft Server 2022 includes a feature called hot patching, which allows updates to be applied without rebooting the server, minimizing any kind of downtime. We've got a quick table that I would like to, I thought was actually very helpful in kind of explaining just a few quick things on how my Windows Server 2022 works. It's got, enhanced security. You can see right here, it's got the protected kernel server, hardware root of trust hardware, firmware protection, and more, as well as the Azure hybrid environment, like I previously mentioned. The Windows Server is enabled for Azure Arc, Windows Admin Center, and Windows Server add-on servers. The application platform, it's got container enhancements, Azure Active Directory support, and hardware acceleration for DirectX APIs. A couple of other features, it's got remote desktop IP address virtualization, network performance improvements, and storage migration service. Next up, we have Ubuntu 24. A quick overview is Ubuntu Server 24 is a popular Linux-based server operating system known for its stability and ease of use. It offers long-term support versions with 5 years of free security and maintenance updates as well. It supports various hardware architectures and can be deployed on physical servers, virtual machines, and cloud environments. It includes tools for system management, security patching, and container deployment. A casual fact is, Ubuntu includes the Linux 6.11 kernel with features like low latency and enhanced security measures.
Next.
I was a big fan of this little graphic right here. It does a quick little introduction on kind of how firewalls work in regards to the perimeter firewall and inner firewalls, where the workstation subnetworks are at.
As far as firewalls go, I wanted to quickly show a graphic that I found extremely helpful. You can see how firewalls act as gatekeepers for your network. The perimeter firewall filters the initial flow of data from the internet, blocking unwanted traffic and letting legitimate traffic through to servers like the web and email servers. The data then passes through a router and another layer, the inner firewall, which further checks and filters the traffic before it reaches your internal network or workstations. These layers of security help protect your network from potential threats and unauthorized access.
So now we've got types of firewalls. And while there are several different types of firewalls, we're obviously going to be just focusing on the Windows firewall as well as the IP tables in Linux. So first off, we've got Windows Firewall. It is a stateful host-based firewall that comes integrated with Windows operating systems. It's found on almost all of your new PC laptops as well. A stateful firewall keeps track of the state of active connections and makes decisions based on the context of the traffic rather than just individual packets. IP tables, on the other hand, is a packet filtering firewall for Linux systems. It allows users to define rules for allowing or blocking network packets based on criteria such as source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. IP tables operates at the kernel level on Linux, providing flexible and powerful control over really any kind of network traffic. So a little bit more in specific, we've got Windows Firewall. Quick overview is that it is a host-based firewall, like I just previously mentioned, included with Windows operating systems. It helps protect devices by filtering network traffic based on set rules and policies. It can block or allow traffic based on IP addresses, ports, and protocols. It also supports IPsec for encrypted communications and integrates with network location awareness, or NLA for short, to apply appropriate security settings for different network types. Quick key fact is Windows Firewall is actually enabled by default on all Windows editions and can be easily managed through the Windows Security app. Next up, we've got IP tables on Linux systems. IP tables are a command line utility for configuring the built-in Linux kernel firewall. It allows administrators to define rules for filtering network traffic on all levels. IP tables use tables, chains, and rules to control incoming and outgoing network packets. It supports various tables like filter, NAT, and mangle for different types of rules as well. Quick key fact is that IP tables is widely used in Linux environments for its flexibility and powerful rule-based filtering capabilities, which it does on several different layers of chains.
Here,
this is also another quick graphic that I found extremely helpful in kind of explaining IP tables in a little bit more detail right here.
I like this graphic, so I wanted to quickly talk about it. In Linux, IP tables is a crucial tool for managing network traffic. It operates by using tables that hold chains of rules which dictate how packets are handled. For example, the filter table manages standard packet filtering, while the NAT table deals with network address translation. The mangle table adjusts packet headers. Each table has specific chains like input, output, and forward, allowing fine-grained control over packet processing at different points, ensuring comprehensive network management and security.
Here we have a quick slide in regards to different types of works cited and that I referred to. Keynote to anyone that might be curious, I did find a lot of information on the actual Microsoft website as well as the Ubuntu website. Honestly, kind of gives you a quick rundown of anything that you might be curious on in regards to how to set it up, how to use it, and how you can actually configure the operating systems. Also found Dataflare as another website that you can look up to be extremely helpful in describing IP tables in Linux in detail, because I don't use Linux, so I'm not too familiar with it just yet, but that was extremely helpful. I've got a quick summary here. So, in conclusion, both Microsoft Server 2022 and Ubuntu Server 24 offer robust features for managing enterprise environments with unique strengths in security and flexibility. Effective firewalls, such as the ones we discussed, Windows Firewall and IP tables, play a crucial role in safeguarding these systems, ensuring secure and reliable network operations. Understanding these technologies enhances our ability to protect and optimize our IT infrastructures. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.